Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can see deleted messages on Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the chats section, people, and right here you're gonna find stories. So if you go to chats, right here you're gonna find all of your conversations. So for example, I'm going to click on this conversation. And then once you do that, as you can see guys, right here in this conversation, if you send a message, for example, I'm gonna send hello. As you can see guys, now the message is sent. If you want to delete your message, just go ahead and click on the message. Right here, you can add the reaction. And here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to reply, copy, pin, and here you're going to find more. Go ahead and click on more. And then from here, you can either forward the message, you can edit it, you can bump it, and lastly, you can remove the message. Go ahead and click on remove. And then as you can see guys right here, they're going to ask you what do you want to remove this message for. You can either unsend or remove it only for you. So basically guys, if you click on unsend, the message will be deleted for you and for the person you sent the message to. But if you click on remove for you, the message will be deleted only for you and it will still appear in your friend's conversation. So basically guys, if you click on remove for you, as you can see guys, they're going to ask you if you're sure about removing it. So I'm going to click on remove. As you can see guys, the message is removed. So basically guys, if you want to see it, the only way how you can do it is to ask the person you sent the message to send you like a screenshot or something to see your message. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.